Alright, I have an unboxing today of the Hoover linx cordless stick vac. Can't wait to get it open. So we're gonna see what I can do. I don't think I need the knife too much. Alright, so the first thing we have is some directions and another thing, and then cardboard, packing cardboard. And next we have a very heavy 18-volt lithium-ion battery. Next, we're going to pull out more cardboard, and then we're going to go to a floor head. And then we're going to go for more cardboard, of course, because then we need the charger. Then we have this really cool handle that, yeah, it does need a screw. Let's get the plastic off, tape off, and let's see, it is a Phillips head, I think. And this cat seems to want to be in the video. Alright, let's check it out. Yeah, it's Phillips head, just like I thought. Now we're gonna take the machine out, so. Ooh. It's all new and plastic. So we'll take off some stickers. And of course, Walmart has to put these amazing looking stickers on it that tells you how tells you how great it is. But we know it's awesome and everything. I don't know why Walmart needs to do that. We got the bristle, and this is not staying on. Oh, please don't tell me it has to stay on. And I guess it does, because if it's one of those weird ones. Oh, it comes off. Awesome. Not very easily, but it comes off. It's got the fade free, and it's not too easy to come off. It's got a fade free battery. And I'm putting this on the wrong way. That's click. And now, more plastic to take off. And this is looking cool. Snap this in. And then we'll put our screw in. I think it should just push in, and then we'll be able to screw it. But we'll try anyway. But I highly doubt it's going to go in this part. Oh yeah, I didn't think so. Once that's in there nice and tight, looks very cool. Now, let's see how long. 3 hours, that's all I have to wait? Are you serious? Thank you, Hoover. Unlike my sharks that have to take 24 hours to charge. This should be fun. Oh, I did it. Okay. We're going to walk over to the receptacle on the wall. to get these funny looking bread box ties off. Because we need some more cord. Alright, we'll walk over here and access those. And now I've got nothing. Oh, there we go. We seem to be blinking. We're charging. And I'm guessing that once it's fully blue, it should be ready to go. But let's get all the packaging out of the way. I need to take a look at the battery, dude. We get the Hoover. It's got a rubberized grip on it. It's looking like it's going to be pretty fun to use. Got slow action. Got a little roller switch at the top. Tells you when the battery's dead. Let's take a look at this filter. Awesome, just what I wanted. An amazing washable filter. They're so cool, because then you don't have to waste any money. It's not like the other stick vacuums where you have to take the filter out and vacuum it off with another vacuum. It's pretty frustrating. This one looks pretty cool. It's got a rubber seal around here. No, it hasn't clicked, but I think it's good. And thanks so much for watching me unbox my new Hoover linx cordless stick vac. Thanks for watching. This is a Tamwick unboxing.